Over recent weeks, myself and other colleagues from South Wales Police have talked a lot about the COVID-19 restrictions. Over the next few days, we'll be part of a national recognition of sacrifices, profound sacrifices by the generations who went before us as we recognise 75 years since VE Day. We've listened really carefully to communities and we've taken advice from the British Legion, leading to us publishing some advice to you, the public, about how you can continue to be part of that national recognition, that celebration and remembrance, while still acknowledging that we're having to do that under a time of restrictions because of the pandemic. I want to really reassure everybody that the same common sense approach to policing those laws and that guidance that we've been applying over the last period of weeks won't change this weekend. We'll still expect to see police officers engaging with people, explaining what the restrictions are, but also just encouraging people to play their part in keeping everyone safe now and playing their part in recognising how people did that all those years ago. We'll get some calls, of course, because we've had calls about public gatherings. So if you do engage with a police officer or a PCSO over the next days, I hope you will find and you'll recognise that they are trying to do their best to make sure we all stay safe now and we all play our part in recognising the phenomenal sacrifices and contribution to this nation of those generations before us.